Do you enjoy reading? Imagine you're trying to decide which book to read. How do you make that decision? Often, you may read the first few pages and then decide whether to continue or not. This initial impression can be crucial. When you meet someone for the first time, how they feel about you during the first minute and a half really sticks with them for a long time. It's like the first page of a book. If it's exciting, they'll want to read more. This is because people today have short attention spans, and you only have about 90 seconds to make a good impression. A guy named Nicholas Boothman wrote a book called How to Make People Like You in 90 Seconds or Less. He has some cool ideas for making a great first impression. One big thing he talks about is body language, like how you stand and use your eyes. If you look open and friendly, people are more likely to like you. Smiling and listening are also super important. A warm smile and paying attention to what the other person is saying can create a connection. It's like being a good friend right away. First of all, why attract people towards you? In today's fast world, this stuff is crucial. Whether you're trying to convince someone to invest in your idea or just want to make more friends, learning to be likable in the first 90 seconds can make a huge difference. It's like a superpower for communication, and it can open up lots of opportunities for you. So remember, those first moments count. They set the stage for the relationships you build and the success you achieve in life. Suppose, if you have gone to a meeting and you are not able to convince people of your point, so you lack communication skills. 1. Meeting. The meeting is only 3 to 4 seconds during which two people come in front to talk to each other. There are 4 processes in a meeting. Open body language. Open body language is a fundamental aspect of effective communication. When you maintain open body language, you create an inviting and approachable atmosphere for the person you're interacting with. Here's how to achieve this. Stand or sit with an upright posture. This demonstrates confidence and attentiveness. Avoid crossing your arms or legs, as this can be perceived as defensive. Keep your hands relaxed and visible. Gestures can help convey your message and show engagement. Being open in your body language sets a positive tone for the meeting and encourages open and honest communication. Eye contact. Eye contact is a powerful tool for building trust and conveying confidence. It shows that you are fully engaged in the conversation and are actively listening. When you make eye contact, it indicates your interest in the person you're speaking with. Maintaining appropriate eye contact is important, but can vary culturally. It's generally best to strike a balance between looking away and making eye contact to avoid making the other person uncomfortable. Practice maintaining eye contact to build your confidence and strengthen this vital aspect of communication. Smiling, beam. A genuine smile can go a long way in creating a positive and welcoming environment. It helps to convey that you are approachable, friendly, and open to the conversation. Use a warm, friendly smile to acknowledge the other person and express goodwill. A smile can help diffuse tension and make the conversation more pleasant. Be mindful of the context. A smile should be appropriate for the situation and not forced. Leaning in, leaning slightly towards the person you are speaking with communicates active interest and engagement in the conversation. It demonstrates that you are focused on their words and value what they have to say. Lean forward while maintaining an open posture to show that you are actively listening. Nodding your head occasionally can further indicate your agreement and understanding. Remember not to invade the other person's personal space. Maintain a comfortable distance. Incorporating these practices into your communication style can lead to more meaningful and productive meetings and interactions. Whenever you communicate with an unknown person by meeting, the first 90 seconds between the two of you is called a rapport. In these 90 seconds, you come to know whether the person in front likes you or not. So let's understand rapport. The rapport means that in emotion, we humans take decisions not from our minds, but from our hearts, and helps in building an emotional relationship while the rapport form. If someone is sad, and you become a little sad with him, then you can make a good connection with him. So let us tell you further how to build rapport well. Attitude. Our emotions and attitudes play a significant role in our interactions with others. Think about how you feel when a friend or relative experiences happiness or sadness. Their emotional state has a direct impact on your own mindset and body language. This emotional contagion is why it's important to maintain a positive attitude and steer clear of negative emotions, such as anger. A positive and confident attitude can be contagious and help you connect more effectively with others. Did you know that research has shown that emotions are highly contagious? When you empathize with someone's emotions, it not only deepens your connection, but also has a physiological impact on your own body. For instance, when you express empathy towards someone who's happy, your brain releases similar feel-good chemicals, enhancing the emotional connection between you. 2. Synchronization. Our human psychology has a fascinating quirk. We tend to gravitate towards people who share our interests and preferences. If you love watching a particular drama, TV series, or movie, you'll naturally connect better with others who share the same passion. This is because similarity creates a sense of comfort and familiarity, making the connection stronger. This psychological phenomenon, known as the similarity attraction effect. To build rapport effectively, it's essential to find common ground by engaging in activities or conversations that align with the other person's interests or preferences. This not only deepens the connection, but also fosters a sense of belonging and trust. Effective communication encompasses various aspects, with nonverbal cues playing a significant role, accounting for 55% of the overall communication. Body language and visual signals are essential in conveying messages, while vocal tone contributes 38%. The remaining 7% relies on the words spoken. The most crucial component is body language. To improve your nonverbal communication, employ mirroring techniques. Simply mimic the body language of the person you're engaging with. If they lean in while talking, follow suit, as this enhances their interest in the conversation. When it comes to vocal communication, focus on your conversational skills. Adapt your tone and mood to match the person you're interacting with. If they're cheerful, respond with a cheerful tone. Similarly, if they speak slowly, adjust your pace. And if they speak rapidly, try to keep up. Verbal communication, which constitutes only 7%, is often underrated. Nevertheless, it's vital to choose your words thoughtfully to connect effectively with others. Remember that spoken words, like bullets fired from a gun, cannot be taken back. Therefore, always be mindful of your verbal communication while speaking. So, if you find this video helpful, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Let's grow together. Thanks for watching.